Inserting links on the Microsoft Whiteboard is actually very, very simple. So I've decided to make this video more interesting by bringing my cat Blossom along. So to insert a link, all you need to do is have a link. So here you can see I've got some websites that I've decided to share on the Microsoft Whiteboard. I'm just going to go in, I'm going to copy one of the links, right click, copy it, go to the whiteboard, right click, paste, and it'll actually resolve that and give me a thumbnail of what that link is. So in this case here, this is a link to the West Coast Trail Parks Canada. It's a hike. So I can also go in if I wanted to, and I could go into links. It would ask me what the URL is. Again, you cannot right click. So I go Control V, it would put the same link in that I just had there. So you can see that the links are quite easy. Now with links, it'll give me a preview of the web page, but I cannot browse the page from there. Okay, bye Blossom. But if I click on the link, it'll take me out to a browser. So that's about the simplest thing we can do with a whiteboard other than drawing on it. But it is a very useful tool, especially if I'm preparing my whiteboard in advance and I want to have links to different things that I want to reference as I'm doing the lecture.